My name is Jeremy, and today we're here at Motor Sportsland, and we're going to be looking at the Durango G310 RLQ. So as you can see, you have a nice big slide on this side that has the awning on the slide with the LED lights. That gives you an extra large space for your family when you're camping. You guys get to hang out outside as well. You know, that becomes a big part of the camping experience. Also along the front of the trailer, you have another awning with the LED light strips. Tons of open space for you guys to just hang out. Right here you have the pass-through storage, huge pass-through storage with a drop frame construction, so it gives you extra room. It comes with a JBL speaker so you guys can listen to music out here. You have the Xantrex 2000 watt inverter for all your power needs. As we come around to the front, you'll notice a nice fiberglass front cap with the LED light strip at the top. As we're down here underneath, you got storage areas and the hydraulic leveling system, another little storage area up here. As we come around to this side, you have your propane tanks, your auto leveling system to get into. You have electric hose reel or electric cord reel right here, your power cord, your watering system. So this comes up, your hose comes through here and hooks in so that this can stay closed and you're not connected to the outside of the trailer. Outside shower hookup, your dry camping, your city water connections, your winterization, your power fill tank, and your siphon are all controlled through these knobs. You just set them the way that they're supposed to, and then you can do it that way. You have your tankless water heater, which is on-demand water. It's instant and constant hot water as long as you have water or until your tanks are full. 50 amp power service. You got your great big slide back here. So that's double opposing slides for that living area. Then as we come around here to the back, you have a hitch that you can use for a bike rack, or you can tow with the KZ Durango hitch. It is a 3,000 pound tow rating or 300 pound hitch rating. Here you have another little slide out storage box for tools or whatever you need to store in here. You do have the ladder on the back so you can get up on the roof if you need to. Frameless windows. As we're coming back around to the front of the trailer, I'm going to show you the solid step MORryde stairs and the safety rail. So this MORryde stairs just go up inside of the trailer when you're done. The safety rail collapses and magnets there, so it's all nice and tucked away. You have your dog leash that also acts as a bottle opener, and so this just comes out and slides down. You have the Lippert screen defender, so your pets and kids don't just bust through that little screen. It also has a easy close. If somebody forgets to close that, it'll shut for you. Let's go inside and take a look. Here we are in the beautiful Durango Gold. Right here you have your big flat screen TV that does pull out, that have a little bit of storage behind it. So if you put your remotes or your movies or whatever you want to put back there. You have your fireplace that produces quite a bit of heat, or you can just have the heat off and just have it for aesthetics. You have your sound bar. You got your nice big couch here. with storage on the sides, so you can put your pillows or bedding or anything you want to put in there. This does also pull out into a bed, so you can sleep extra people in here. You have nice cabinetry up above, deep cabinets, and they are the soft close, so they don't have to slam, it'll just soft close for you. This side as well, more storage on the side. Right here you have your theater seating that's all electric. You got your heat, you got your massage, your extend, your turn, cup holders in the middle, along with a little area to store remote or other items. As we come this way, you're going to notice that nice desk area that also has the charging station right here, your command station, table that actually slides out, and there's a leaf in here to extend this even further so you can have 4 people sitting here. You have your shades that during the daytime, if you just want to have a little bit of light coming in, you can use that shade. If you want to black out the light, you can bring the blackout shade. Nice little light here. As we start working into the kitchen, you'll see you got tons of storage space, drawers, cabinet space. Right here you have your big pantry. It's got a motion sensor light in there, so you can see all of the food and everything in there when you're ready. More storage up above. Nice big LG fridge that has the slim Space Plus ice maker in here, and that system is really nice. You can access the filter and all of the components behind. Your water and ice dispenser here. You have your big freezer with the drawer on top. As we come in here, you have your convection microwave. Nice big convection microwave. Tons more storage. Just absolutely amazing how much storage this RV has. And they're all soft close. You have your dishwasher. Big dishwasher, so you get all your dishes done. Right here we have the cutting board that's nice and put away, that you can take out and use it, put it back, nice storage area. Underneath you got more drawer space. Underneath that they have a built-in trash can area for you, makes it really nice. You have the huge oven, 4-burner cooktop stove, nice big deep sink. Right here you have paper towel holder. You know, they just put everything in here, make it nicer for you when you're either living in it or just taking it out for the weekend. Here we are in this nice big bathroom with a great big shower, glass doors. I'm 6 feet and I still got plenty of space. Nice residential style shower, soap holder. They put a little step here, you know, if you need to shave or whatever. As you come out, you have your storage here for any towels or anything that you have up here. A little hand towel, ring. They think of all these little details just to make it extra nice on your experience when you're out camping or if you're living in it. Sink, residential faucet, storage underneath. Again, this thing has so much storage, it makes it really nice. Here you have the nice ceramic toilet, so you can use all your household cleaning products. You don't need to use anything special to clean it like you do with the plastic toilets. You have your towel rack here. You have your nice electric and rain sensor vent that also, if it gets to a certain temperature, it will open up to release some of that heat. Makes it really nice. Here we are in the bedroom. You got your nice big king bed with the electric tilt. So if you want to sit up and read a book, sit up and watch TV, or if someone snores, and pop that up a little bit. Got your little shelves up here for your phone or whatever you want. You got your daylight screen and your blackout screen, so you can have it as dark as you want in here. On this side, you have your nice big closet with the motion sensing light, little shelf up here, a couple shelves down there for your shoes or whatever you'd like to put in there. Nice big closet area. On this side, you have the other side, or more closet space, but you also have storage for the extra 2 chairs that you get for the dinette. You have your water or washer dryer prep in here, so if you want to put a washer dryer in here, if you're going to be out for extended periods of time, you can do that. It also has the little hamper area here, so you can put all your dirty clothes in there. They're not all scattered. And then you have more storage space, tons of storage space. And then as we look into the front, you get TV, 32-inch TV. You have your fireplace, storage areas, just tons of more storage for all your clothes. And like I said, that soft close drawer, it's not gonna slam shut. You have a nice big barn door, so you can have privacy. And that concludes the Durango Gold 310 RLQ. My name's Jeremy. I'm here at Motorsportsland in beautiful Salt Lake City. Come down and see me. We also have our current pricing online, and you can get that off of motorsportsland.com.